Understanding Trust Broken, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, trust broken. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help in both personal and professional contexts. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage. Trust broken refers to a situation where trust, which is the belief in someone's reliability, truth, or ability, has been damaged or destroyed. This often happens when someone breaks a promise, lies, or betrays in some way. Understanding this phrase is crucial because trust is a foundational element in all human relationships. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In personal relationships, if a friend shares your secret with others, this can lead to a broken trust. 2. In professional settings, when a colleague takes credit for your work, it can break the trust you had in them. These examples show how trust can be broken in different areas of life. Now, let's talk about rebuilding trust. Once trust is broken, it can be hard to rebuild. It requires time, effort, and genuine remorse. Apologizing sincerely and changing behavior are key steps in this process. Understanding trust broken is important because it highlights the value of trust in relationships. Trust is like a glue that holds relationships together. When it's broken, things can fall apart quickly. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, trust broken, and its significance in English. Remember, trust is precious, and once broken, it's not easy to mend. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.